Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to show and hide the ruler option on your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in Microsoft Office Word web, you just how to show or hide or how to enable or disable the ruler on your Microsoft Office Word web. You just click on the view option here. You can see option called ruler. Just click this, it automatically enabled. If you click again, it automatically disabled. You can show or hide the ruler if you want. So the most important thing is ruler for your page for adjusting the size. For an example, I just need to put this on here on the top corner. It should start from top corner. You can adjust this with the ruler only. So you just need to scale this like this, so it will be start on the top of the page, or it should be start from bottom of the page, or start or the middle of the page. You just can adjust the scale, and that only make this sense. So this is most important thing. So just click on the view option, click on the ruler, enable it or disable it, whatever that you want. And you can also adjust this too, and you can also use the first line intent or hanging intent using this ruler only. So I think this video useful to you. If it is really useful, like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable word content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.